Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful lacy pattern titled Annecy, and this is worked with Hobby Store Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill and a 5 mm clover crochet hook. And the materials we need for any project are your crochet hook that suits your project, yarn, of course a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle and a stitch mark. Okay, so these are the general things we need, and the most important are your hook and the yarn. Let's go into the video without further delay. Make an adjustable ring. And into the ring place 12 single crochets. Now slip stitch to the back loop of the first single crochet and join, and place 2 single crochets into the same stitch in the back loop only. So chain 1 single crochet, the second one, all in the back loop only. So into the back loop of every stitch place 2 single crochets for round 2. So we will have 24 single crochets worked all in the back loops at the end of this round. At the end of the round, slip stitch and join to the back loop of the first single crochet here, chain 3, skip 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next single crochet. Now chain 2, skip 1 single crochet in the back loop, chain 2, skip 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next. So continue the round in this manner. At the end of the round here, chain 2 and slip stitch to the third chain of the first 3 chains that we did here. You may slip stitch underneath both the loops. Yeah. Now in this chain 2 loop we need to make a single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 trebles, 1 double and 1 single. So let's begin. Pull up the loop to the height of a single crochet, make a single crochet here, 1 double crochet, 2 trebles, all in the same chain 2 space. One double and a single crochet. So you get a nice curved petal like structure here. Again in the next chain 2 space, we are not working on the single crochet. In the next chain 2 space, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 trebles, and 1 double crochet, in the end a single crochet. So we are missing the half double crochet in order to give a nice curved effect. We get this curved effect here. Okay, so complete the round. I shall complete and get back. At the end of this round, slip stitch and join to the first single crochet. Now chain 7, which is counted as 1 treble and chain 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 treble in the same single crochet. Now chain 3, 1 single crochet behind, on top of the petal here, behind it. You may do it behind the 2 trebles that we worked. Chain 3, 1 single crochet on top of the next petal behind it. It should be in the center. Chain 3, again 1 single crochet behind the next petal. Now chain 3, 1 treble, chain 3, 1 treble in the next single crochet here, between these 2 single crochets. So we have made 2 corners, so we need to make 2 more corners and complete the round. So these are the stitches on the sides. Like chain 3, single crochet on behind the top of the petal, chain 3 behind the top of the petal, chain 3 behind the top of the petal, 3 times between the 2 corners. So continue and complete. At the end of the round here, slip stitch and join to the 4th chain of the chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4th chain. Now chain 3, this is considered as the first double crochet on the treble. Then 3 double crochets. Chain 3, 3 double crochets in the corner. And a double crochet on the treble. So this is how we work. And now into every chain 3 space place 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet on the single crochet till you reach the next corner. And on the treble 1 DC, then 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles in the corner, again 1 double on the treble, and continue the stitch pattern all around. So now it is time for us to do 2 doubles in this chain 3 space, sorry, and 1 double on the single crochet, again 2 doubles, 1 double on the single crochet, 2 doubles, 1 double on the single crochet, 2 doubles, just a moment, let me unravel my yarn. Yeah, now we have come to the corner, so 1 double on the treble, then 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles in the corner space. So this is how the side looks and this is how the corner looks. So continue and complete the 2 corners and the 3 sides. I shall also complete and get back. At the end of the round, slip stitch and join to the 3rd chain of the first 3 chains. Now slip stitch to the corner. Chain 6. One double crochet in the corner. Slip stitch in the next DC. Chain 5. Skip the next 2 double crochets and slip stitch to the 3rd double crochet here. So repeat this 6 times. Chain 5, skip 2, slip stitch. Chain 5, skip 2, slip stitch 6 times till you reach the next corner. So let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 and a slip stitch. So continue this 6 times till you reach the next corner. Again we've reached the corner, slip stitch to the corner, chain 6, one double crochet in the corner, slip stitch to the DC and continue the side in this manner, and the corner you have to work this in this similar manner, like slip stitch to the corner, chain 6, double crochet, slip stitch to the next DC, again continue the side. So complete the other 2 corners and 3 sides. I shall complete and get back. So we have placed chain 5 slip stitch by skipping 2 stitches and we have done the corners, and on the 4th corner, the last corner, we repeat this 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then for the last chain 5 space what we do is chain 2 and place a DC after skipping 2 DCs here. So that we bring the chain to the center of the loop here. Okay. Now chain 3 for the 8th round, and in the 4th chain of this chain 6 place a single crochet, chain 1, a single crochet, then chain 3, one single crochet in the 3rd chain of chain 5 loop, chain 3, one single crochet in the 3rd chain of chain 5 loop. So repeat this chain 3 single crochet on the 3rd chain 6 times, then make the corner. Again repeat chain 3 single on the 3rd loop of chain 5 6 times, then make the corner. Again this side you repeat it 6 times, corner and 6 times, and at the end of the round I'll tell you what to do. So work these stitches all around and reach the end of this round. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. Now you make a single crochet in the last stitch and then slip stitch to the next chain 3 space and place 3 single crochets in this chain 3 space. Make chain 1 and 3 single crochets here. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 1 and 5 single crochets in the chain 1 space of the corner. chain 1, 3 single crochets in the chain 3 space. So in every chain 3 space, place 3 single crochets. So before the corner and after the corner, chain 1. Okay, continue this on all the sides. So every chain 3 space will have 3 single crochets, and the cornermost chain 1 space is going to have 5 single crochets, and this corner will be separated by chain 1 on either side. Okay. At the end of round, slip stitch to the first single crochet and fasten off and hide the yarns. So we complete the Annecy pattern. This is a convertible pattern again, from a floral motif to a square motif. And this is a lacy pattern, and it is great for all your summer projects. And it will work great for your cushion covers too. And you can make it bigger, larger, with varied pattern stitches on all sides. Okay. Thank you friends for viewing this video. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you once again. Have a great day. Bye for now. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.